joining me today. My name's Natalie O'Shea and I'm joining you from www.natalieoshea.co.uk and today I'm just here to share with you about two very special bags. We all like a bit of storage for our craft stuff, and so today I'm here to share something with you. Now, if you have a stamping platform that looks like our Stamparatus with the sort of has the there we go, the platform that kind of does that, then if you've bought a Stamparatus off me, or if you're thinking of getting one, then we now have, look, it's got its own bag. Yay! So I'm going to move the screen in a minute and I'm going to show you a little bit more about the insides in this. But I'm here to tell you that it's available from tomorrow, which is December the 5th, Wednesday, December the 5th, 2018. The bag on its own is £27. Or if you haven't got a Stamparatus yet, then you can get one of those and the bag for £73, so you can get the whole lot. So that's a good idea for a Christmas present if you're wondering what to get. But there we have it. So yeah, so this is the first thing, and as I say, I'll show you the close-ups in a minute. But I wanted to talk about another bag as well. So very good though, but also fits other things. So like if you've got spare plates, if you've got the grid paper, spare magnets, all those kind of accessories that we sell to go with it as well, they all fit in here. So if you're looking at how to keep your Stamparatus organised and all together with its own super special bag, then we'll have a look at that in a second. But here's another bag I want to show you. Can you see that? So it is, again, I'm going to show you again in a second, but it's a craft tote. But look, it's a little bag and a big bag. A little bag and a big bag that coordinate. How fab is this? So how can you get your hands on this? Well, this craft tote is very exclusive, I hate to say. So the Stamparatus bag is available to everybody. So a customer, demonstrator, anybody can get their hands on this from tomorrow. But this craft tote, very exclusive, very exclusive. So how can you get your hands on that? Well, if you are a demonstrator at the moment, you can pre-order them. At the moment, but they're only going to be available to demonstrators. So you have to become a demonstrator. It's as easy as that. So if you were to join my fabulous team of Stamping Stars during the month of December, you would be able to pre-order one for yourself until stocks last for us. So yes, so that's one way of getting it. The other way of getting it, and getting it even cheaper, because I didn't say, at the moment they're £47, but they are super durable, lots of pockets, and I'll show you that in a second. But if you join my team from January the 3rd until March the 31st, we're actually going to have two different joining offers this time. So for those of you that have been here with me for a while, you'll know that Celebration is on. If you haven't been with me for a while, you won't know what I'm talking about. And I will be sharing more about Celebration in another video that, in fact, I'm going to film today. So I'll be sharing that soon. But during Celebration, there are additional perks if you want to join and be a demonstrator. So what are these perks? So normally every month the starter kit, you pick £130 worth of anything you like out of the catalogue for £99 posted to you. So it's a £31 saving in product, and you don't pay the £4.95 P&P either. So good Christmas present. Good Christmas present again if you're thinking for that. But if during Celebration, so from January the 3rd, if you join my team, then there'll be one starter kit offer, which is £170 of whatever you want out of any catalogues, clearance rack, anything you like. And you just pay £99 again, P&P posted. So that's £71 for free, and P&P for free as well. But there's actually like an upgraded starter kit as well, and I should get this right. I've just suddenly remembered I don't know the price of the next one. No, I do. I just suddenly went, oh, So you can get £170 worth of products of your choice for £99 plus P&P. But if you want this bag, there's an upgraded starter kit, which is £125 it costs you. You still get £170 of your choice, and free P&P, and the bag. So the bag for like 26 quid. What a bargain. What a bargain. So, as I say, two different ways. If you're desperate for it, if you're looking at starting a business and you want to use our biggest promotion of the year to really make some money and get started, then perhaps think about joining in December and pre-ordering one for yourself. Or, as I say, you can wait till January the 3rd, join the team then. Two different starter kits, but one of them is an upgraded one with basically that bag for £26. So, let's show you a little bit more about them. Hold on a second. So let's have a little look at this bag then. So here it is. So it comes with two fabric straps, so you can hold it nice and strong. You've got a pocket with a magnet in the front of there. You've obviously got the Groovy Stamping Up logo. You've got a hook at the back as well, so you can hook it onto things. Let's have a look as we open it up. This is a brand new one, I haven't even looked at it yet. So there is a shoulder strap as well. So that is what straps onto that hook there. So you can just hook it like that. Oh, she says. Hook it like that and use that as a shoulder strap. I'm not sure it's that heavy, but there you go, it might be easier. And more pockets here. So you've got one pocket there, another pocket there. You've got a Velcro pocket there. So let's say, so you could put your grid paper there. Let's take the plate off of this. I can't find my extra plate. Bit scary. So my plate can go in there as well. So there we go. So plate there. I could put my Stamparatus that I obviously don't want to lose, so I want to put that one with the strap. And you can hold that in and Velcro that in. Look, how cool is that? Nice pattern inside as well. And there we go, pop it all in, zip it all up, and you're good to go. It is actually quite weighty, so I suppose it depends on how many plates. You might have multiple Stamparatuses for some reason, and it will fit obviously a couple of them in there as well. But I just thought that was really good. Really good, really well made, solid, sturdy, good quality, as Stamping Up is known for. So yeah, and zips all round, but can be a little carry case as well. So there we go. So that's the Stamparatus bag. So let's have another better look at this craft tote bag. So I love this. I have to say, I had a Stamping Up craft tote bag, oh God, about 8 or 9 years ago. And I only threw it out about a year ago. It all got sun faded because it was in my conservatory, but I loved it, loved it. So I'm really pleased that they've added this as an alternative. So we have a bag here with a nice little tag. So this decorated tag, this is the new 30th anniversary kind of imagery and logo that we're using. You've got the, oh, let's take that off again. It's all protected. Oh, look at that, super shiny. So you have a pocket at the front, or two pockets at the front, a zipped pocket here as well to go inside there. That same lining, so these two bags coordinate. Same lining there. So a punch fits in here, just to give you an idea. I mean, look, it's a good hand size there. We've also got on the back another great big long zip with room for whatever you want to put in there. Ink pads fit nicely in there. Then you have the inside. So again, we have the hand straps there that match and coordinate the other one. You have another shoulder strap bag because here and here you have the loops so that you can join the shoulder straps. This is definitely one I think you would use more for that. More pockets. Look, a pocket there, a pocket there, another pocket there, and another pocket there. So you could just have it like that. And I do know that a big shot machine actually fits in there. So if you want to carry a big shot around, you can just throw that in there like that as it is, and your job done, all good to go. But it also comes with these dividers, which again I haven't opened yet. So these are, divide the case up and you get, oh, you get 2 small, oh look at all the fluff on that, 2 small and 2 large dividers. So you'll see here, there's some sort of Velcro here and here. So it's up to you how you want to do, cheers, how you want to do this. So this goes in, oh in fact there's 2, I lie. There's two large, 2 small. So you've just got to match this Velcro here up with the Velcro in the bag. So that's one, and that's the other, pretty much done. We'll put that one in as well. So I'm doing this really quickly, so it's not going to be perfect, but you're getting the idea. So again, you can leave it like that, and I can assure you that the Stampin' Up! Trimmer fits in here as well. Now, poking out the top or anything like that. So this could be good for you. You might want to leave it like that. Or, I've put these on the wrong way. Well, so you could, because look, the Velcro's here. So I could put one in the middle like that. So if I had those around the other way, I could put one in the middle like that. Or if you want them on the sides, so that's what we're going to do because that's what I've done. You can put these side and compartmentalise it even more. So look at that, really personal to your taste. You can do what you want to do with it. It stands up quite happily on its own now. I just think it's great, really good quality. As I say, it's a cotton fabric, so you can even wash it. So if your ink pack leaks, which you shouldn't, but if you carry it too much on its upside down, it might do that. Or if a pen lid comes off or something like that, you can chuck this in the wash. And this key fob can obviously come off this tag if you want to as well. But there we go, I just thought I would share them with you. So yeah, I love them, I've got them. There's little feet on the bottom as well to protect your bag from the floor. Just great, just love them. So as I say, Stamparatus bag on sale from tomorrow. This bag you can only get as a demonstrator, so either join now and you can pre-order it, or join in January to March next year and you can add it to your starter kit to get a bigger starter kit. So that's it from me. Any questions, give me a buzz. If you've liked this video, give me a little tick. And if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, then give me a subscribe as well. And then YouTube will always tell you when I am posting a video, so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks very much. I really appreciate you watching and hope this has been useful.